Hello everyone, this is AJ from Late Night Productions, and I just wanted to make a quick video about the new computer I just recently received thanks to my mother. It is a Dell Optiplex and it runs Windows 10 and is a massive upgrade from the old laptop I used to have. Apparently, when Mom ordered it, it came with a free keyboard and mouse. And what's funny is she actually ordered me, that's a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse. So I have two keyboards and mouses for this machine, which is really, really funny. The only thing I'm missing right now, which hopefully will be here later this week, is the monitor. And after that, once I get everything set up, I can actually start, making videos like the ones I want, like gaming videos and stuff like that. And apparently this is a really good machine. My friend Cooney really recommended it. And let me see if I can show you guys the inside of it. Hold on. Cell phone camera, not the best camera, but it will do. Oh, come on. There we go. Gently pull it away. That's what the insides look like. For any of those, actually. I don't know what everything does. I'm not that computer savvy. But hopefully it runs way better than the laptop I currently have, which is constantly freezing up on me or starts giving me errors. So, yeah, this is my new upgrade. And I can't wait for the monitor to get here so I can give it a shot. Anyway, let's put this back on as best I can. Oh, come on. Get back in the slots. There we go. There we go. And yes, it does boot up, and it's really quiet. I mean, listen to this. I've never had a computer this quiet. It's actually kind of spooky. But hopefully, like I said, the monitor will arrive in a few days. Then I'll get it set up, and I can start making the gaming videos I've always wanted to bring you guys. But anyway, I just wanted to, give a quick update and show that, I'm finally upgrading my equipment from my old laptop to this. What am I going to do with two keyboards? Two mice. Yeah, mice. That's the right word. Anyway, this has been AJ from Late Night Productions. You guys have a great rest of your day.